أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. This is Bab 7, derived verbal form 7, which we did last time, and I just wanted to have a quick revision on this. That's why I just opened from here. Okay. So Bab ifta'ala. Javeria, can you recognize what is added here? What are the extra letters you can see in here?
Yes, 2 letters has been added,
Mm-hmm.
Hamza and Ta,
Yeah,
right?
Hamza, because we know fa, ain, and ta, fa, ain, lam are actual letters. Okay, and
Hmm.
addition is fa and Hamza and ta.
Hamza and Ta.
Mhm. Okay, so there is one prefix also, and there is one infix also, right? That is added in between. Okay, so this bab is. Oh, Aisha Yasir is here. Okay. So this
No
bab is
problem.
from,
If
huh?
Mr. Pat, if you want to take any other volunteer who is,
No, no.
teaching
Why? Why?
continuously class.
Why did you say that?
No, because they are already attached with you, na, within
No,
so many classes.
you are also attached, mashallah. No, no. I was just I just looked at the participants list and then I realized that she has come and she is waiting for me to enter. That's why I said,
Okay,
oh, she has come. That's why I said,
okay, okay, okay,
okay,
that's
because she was waiting in the waiting room.
okay, 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 fine. That's fine.
So this bab is formed by adding alif, right? Alif
Hmm,
with kasra, e before
hmm,
the first letter, and
hmm,
then the after after it, yani after fa letter. Okay.
hmm,
So,
hmm,
and the example is jama'a. This is normal sulasi mujarrad jama'a, right? He
hmm,
collected. It means he collected. But when he collected something, but when we say ijtama'a, we
hmm.
added one kasra with one alif with kasra, and after the ayn fa kalima ta we added. It collected or gathered. Yani fi'l lazim and mutaddi, right, Javeria?
Ji.
Yani he collected is fi'l lazim or mutaddi? He collected. Jama'a. He collected.
La Lazim.
No, just
Yeah,
rethink. He collected, and then it's
he
written
collected.
something. यानी उसने इकट्ठा किया
हाँ,
जमा
हाँ, हाँ, okay,
उसने जमा
okay.
किया.
Right, right, right. मुताद्दी, मुताद्दी,
This is فعل متعدي, right? This is
मुताद्दी,
فعل
हाँ,
متعدي.
he
جمع, he
collected.
collected, right?
हाँ,
But
हाँ,
يعني when it comes اجتمع, it collected. ये वो इकट्ठा हो गया.
हाँ,
इकट्ठा हो गया. It collected
हाँ,
or gathered together. इकट्ठे जमा हो जाना हो गया. ठीक. तो यानी remember the first what we did فعل, and then if what was the first one?
इफ्तार,
नहीं
इफ्तार,
बाब इफ़ाल أفعل يفعل. I'm
युफ़इलु,
sorry.
yeah, अफ़अला
أفعل.
युफ़इलु, हाँ,
That was
युफ़इलु,
باب إفعال, right?
हाँ,
أفعل, the second one, I think it's here, the second one. أفعل
हाँ, युफ़इलु,
يفعل, right? So this
हाँ,
is totally opposite to that. Yani أفعل, and I'll give example and then it will be clear maybe inshallah. أفعل يفعل. This is باب إفعال, which we did I think on second number here. This was the second bab here. أفعل يفعل, right? أفعل يفعل. And the normal sulasi is definitely فعل. So if
हाँ,
I say uh, let's suppose dakhala, ठीक है?
हाँ,
Dakhala. Now what does dakhala mean?
He
दखला,
entered.
he entered.
He entered, correct? है ना?
हाँ,
Dakhala,
हाँ,
He
He
entered.
entered.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is it फ़ेल लाज़िम और मुताद्दी?
Mutaddi. He entered. In translation, ne will come.
Huh?
In translation, ne will come.
You no
मतलब in
tell
Urdu,
बताओ उर्दू बताओ उर्दू में
entered, he entered, वो दाखिल हुआ.
तो कहाँ आ
Right?
रहा है ने?
लाजिम हो गया. सही है,
लाजिम हो
लाजिम
गया
हो
ना?
गया.
हाँ
हाँ, ठीक है, लाजिम
लाजिम
हो
हो
गया.
गया. अच्छा और मुझे मुझे
Right.
ये मैं समझ रही हूँ कि ये अब आपको समझने के लिए लाजिम और मुतअद्दी का कॉन्सेप्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि यही
Exactly,
तो मीनिंग में
exactly,
चेंज आ रहा है मीनिंग में यही
exactly,
चेंज आ रहा है ओके व्हाट अबाउट अदर
exactly.
गर्ल्स इन द क्लास are you clear about lazim and mutaddi and we call them in English we call them intransitive and transitive
Hmm.
are all clear about that Khadija Vanita Aisha
Yes, miss. Even for me, I need to
Yes,
translate in
Alhamdulillah.
Urdu. Then only I can understand the
Yeah.
word lazim.
Acha. You were comfortable in Urdu understanding
Yeah,
it
yeah. The way
okay
you said nay, then only.
हाँ
Yes, yes.
हाँ हाँ तो जिसमें ने आ रहा होता है ना वो मुताद्दी होता है ट्रांजिटिव होता है और जिसमें ने नहीं आ रहा होता वो इंट्रांजिटिव होता है ऐसे ही है विनीता
जी जी इंशाल्लाह जी
हाँ okay
जी
so the point is which what we are discussing and it will take little time but definitely inshallah we will be able to understand so I was making you understand that when we did this bab it was bab if'al bab if'al acha here they are giving the name yes Aisha you can ask please
Yes, Assalamu alaikum, miss.
wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah
I just confused with the lazim and mutaddi, transitive and intransitive. Okay.
ha, ha, ha,
But
ha.
when you say lazim, mutaddi, I'm
Huh?
getting confused with these words.
You are confused with lazim and mutaddi
Lazim and mutaddi.
are you
Transitive.
comfortable with transitive and intransitive Aisha, I'm not able to hear you. Aisha? Say it again, please. I couldn't hear you. I think there is a problem with her net. Can others listen to her? What she's saying?
No, no, you can't.
Okay. So there is a problem with her net, maybe.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. So the transitive and intransitive are just the English words for lazim and mutaddi. Okay? And it's very important to understand this because the meanings are changing accordingly, right? So, yani he collected, ठीक है? He collected. उसने जमा किया. उसने जमा किया. जब ने आ रहा है तो this is मुताद्दी. ठीक है? जिसमें ने आ रहा होता है वो मुताद्दी होता है. और इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहेंगे इसको? Intransitive, right? विनीता?
जी ट्रांजिटिव तो वो होता है ना जिसमें आपको आगे जरूरत पड़ती है
अच्छा वो ट्रांजिटिव होता है
मैं खुद ये लाजिम और मुतद्दी से इवन आई एम
आप
गेटिंग
लाजिम
कंफ्यूज
मुतद्दी
क्योंकि
को
मेरा
छोड़ो
तो
मुझे ये बताओ कि ही एंटर्ड क्या है ट्रांजिटिव है
ही
या
एंटर्ड तो
इंट्रांजिटिव है
नहीं ही एंटर्ड तो अपने आप में इट्स अ फुल सेंटेंस ना
हाँ ठीक है तो दिस इज लाजिम नहीं इंग्लिश में बताओ व्हाट टर्म वी यूज फॉर इट
इंट्रांजिटिव
इंट्रांजिटिव ओके
राइट
ठीक है तो लाजिम इज इंट्रांजिटिव ठीक है लाजिम इज इंट्रांजिटिव ठीक है जो इटसेल्फ में होता है ना दाखिल हुआ ही एंटर्ड हाँ ठीक है ठीक है today we need to learn it very well we need to make this concept very clear because this is totally opposite meaning it's giving totally opposite meaning so to make the translation very clear for us we need to understand this ठीक है
In Urdu it's very simple. He collected. उसने इकट्ठा किया या उसने जमा किया तो ने we are using ne so it means that it is mutaddi and he entered वो दाखिल हुआ तो it is very simple because we are not using ne there so it would be lazim but in English I think it's a little
but
bit
these people who can't understand Urdu for them also we need to find out some way
exactly.
Sorry miss yeah
so miss like if we say like intransitive something which doesn't need an object right So if we say he entered,
हाँ.
it in itself is a full sentence, ना?
Exactly.
है ना? So this will be intransitive. तो intransitive को फिर क्या बोलेंगे? लाजिम बोलेंगे ना?
लाजिम
क्या
बोलेंगे.
बोलते हैं?
जी.
हाँ, तो ठीक है. और
मैंने
उस
वही
जी जी
इसीलिए मैंने इसके पास लिखा ना intransitive, मैंने लाजिम के पास जाके लिख दिया है. This is
जी, जी,
English
जी,
translation. ठीक है, लाजिम की
जी,
English
जी.
translation क्या है? Intransitive.
जी, बिल्कुल. जी. और
और
जिसमें ने लगेगा उर्दू में
हाँ.
तो फिर वो ट्रांजिटिव हो जाएगा, यानी मुताद्दी.
बिल्कुल
है ना?
बिल्कुल वो
जिसमें ने,
मुताद्दी हो
ठीक.
जाएगा. हाँ जी, वो
जी.
ट्रांजिटिव हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जिसमें ने लगेगा क्योंकि उसको जरूरत है आगे किसी की.
जी, बिल्कुल.
It
It needs
needs
a direct
object.
object.
Yes,
Object,
it
yes.
needs a direct object. Very correct. ठीक है, Aisha, you were asking something. Is that fine now? Your internet?
Yeah, Miss, I was a little bit confused with the lazim and mutaaddi. Lazim is which one and mutaaddi is which
हाँ,
one?
that's we are trying to figure out. We are trying to figure
Now,
it out, and it's
okay,
very
lazim
important.
is
It's
intransitive,
हाँ
no?
हाँ. Just write it with you. Write it in
Yes,
your
I
notes, right?
already
हाँ.
noted.
So फेले लाजिम means intransitive, and फेले
Intransitive,
मुताद्दी.
I know, which requires no object. But
Exactly.
when you say lazim and mutaaddi, I was, which is lazim, which is mutaaddi?
Okay. It's okay now because the book will use these words, na. That's why I use Arabic terms.
Yes, we need that.
Arabic terms also
Because
you need
only
to
with
be familiar
English
with.
we can't.
Yeah. Okay.
Jazakallah.
So, वही है कि yeah. Okay. So, because here, when we were, let me clear up the screen first. It's too dirty now. Okay. So I was telling you that dakhala say adkhala. If I say, just a minute. अच्छा पहले we will discuss this dakhala and then we will write adkhala. Ji. Adkhala, can you recognize the pattern? Adkhala, this is on the pattern of af'ala. If you people have made the tables with you, because I suggested you last time also, last to last time, that make a table with you people. I hope Khadija has made, right? Others also should make. Khadija, can you, if I say af'ala, can you, sorry, adkhala.
Bab 2. Yes, ma'am, it is Bab 2.
Bab 2, that is af'ala, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What does dakhala mean, Khadija?
He entered.
He entered, and we just figured it out that which verb is this? Is it lazim or mutaddi? If you are comfortable in telling lazim, mutaddi, or intransitive, transitive, whatever you feel comfortable.
Lazim is lazim, mutaddi.
Exactly.
Both.
It's lazim. It's which does not require any or direct object. He entered. वो दाखिल हो गया. ठीक है? He entered. He entered. So here we see he entered. ठीक? Okay. But if we say adkhala, what would it mean? He, yes, Javeria, what would it mean? He
has entered.
No. He made someone to enter.
Who entered? Right.
दाखिल
He
किया.
was entered by someone.
नहीं वो मजहूल होगा. He made someone enter. यानी for example, हाँ, for example, when a person joins Zoom, right? ठीक है? He is in waiting room. If I admit, I will make him enter the room. तो वो अदखला, ठीक है? जब हमने वो ये हमारे ऑन हुए होते हैं सिक्योरिटी, है ना? इनेबल हुए होते हैं वेटिंग रूम, तो आई मेक समबडी एंटर द रूम ना, मैं दाखिल करती हूँ ना किसी को रूम में एडमिट करके, तो वहां पे अदखला है. ही मेड समवन एंटर. नहीं, काम करने वाला वही है जवेरिया. काम करने वाला फॉर एग्जाम्पल दाखला, ठहरो, दाखला हामिदुन, चलो ठीक है, दाखला हामिदुन, ठीक है. What does it mean now? Instead of he, what should we use?
Hamid entered.
Hamid entered, ठीक है. Hamid कर दिया मैंने इसको. Hamid entered. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे भी मैं कह रही हूँ अदखला हामिदुन, हामिद ने दाखिल किया,
राइट,
लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे फिर किसी की जरूरत पड़ेगी। यहाँ तो है कि दखला हामिदुन, हामिद एंटर्ड, ठीक है, वो मतलब मुझे जरूरत नहीं ना पड़ी कि किसको दाखिल किया, वो खुद ही दाखिल हुआ भाई, ठीक है। लेकिन यहाँ मैं कह रही हूँ अदखला हामिदुन, हामिद ने दाखिल किया, भाई किसको दाखिल किया, फिर मुझे वर्ब की जरूरत, मुझे ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत पड़ेगी वहां, मफऊल की जरूरत पड़ेगी वहां, ठीक है।
ठीक
I
है,
hope-
बिल्कुल। जैसे
हाँ
लाइक नज़ला, नज़ला वो उतरा है ना,
हाँ
एंड नज़ला तो उसने उतारा, somebody is there to do
हाँ,
this work, नज़ला, राइट।
नहीं दोनों जगह पे कोई काम करने वाला है, काम करने वाला सब्जेक्ट इज
वो तो
प्रेजेंट
मौजूद
बोथ
है।
प्लेसेस। यहाँ पे हामिदुन विद तनवीन विद दम्मा, दिस इज अ सब्जेक्ट। फाइल, दिस इज आल्सो सब्जेक्ट फाइल, है ना, फाइल है ना, दोनों जगह पे फाइल है, दोनों जगह काम करने वाला मौजूद है। वी हैव सब्जेक्ट एट बोथ प्लेसेस and subject is same. Look at this, that's why I used a name now, so that it should be very clear for you, right? I used a verb, sorry, noun, dakhala hamidun. What does it mean? Hamid entered, ठीक है,
राइट,
खत्म हो गई बात। हामिद खुद दाखिल हो गया, काम दाखिल होना है, कौन करने वाला है, हामिद, और हुआ कौन है दाखिल, हामिद, उस पे खुद ही वो काम हुआ है, ठीक है। बट यहाँ पे अदखला हामिदुन, अब क्या है, काम करने वाला हामिद है, सब्जेक्ट इज हामिद, लेकिन तर्जुमा क्या है, हामिद ने दाखिल किया, तो फिर आपको चाहिए कि किसको दाखिल किया, देन यू नीड एन ऑब्जेक्ट,
ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट, राइट,
हामिद ने
ओके,
दाखिल किया,
आई गॉट इट, आई गॉट इट।
सब्जेक्ट तो यहाँ पे भी हामिद है, यहाँ पे भी हामिद है सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, हामिद हामिद, सब्जेक्ट वही है, बट यहाँ पे जो काम हुआ ना उसका असर हामिद पे ही हुआ खुद, हामिद इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो, यू कैन से, दाखिल होने का काम किस पे हुआ, कौन दाखिल हुआ, हामिद,
हामिद,
ठीक है। बट हियर व्हेन वी से अदखला हामिदुन, देन हामिद मेड एंटर whom, then we need an object, हामिदुन maybe Muhammad or Ahmad or anyone, or maybe a student, let's see, أدخل حامد الطالبة، الطالبة, हामिद ने एक स्टूडेंट को दाखिल किया, मे बी क्लास में, ठीक है, जवेरिया क्लियर हुआ?
यस यस, आई गॉट इट, आई गॉट इट।
वो ये आई थिंक व्हेन आई यूज दिस नाउन इट शुड बी क्लियर, राइट, कि यहाँ पे भी काम करने वाला हामिद है, यहाँ पे भी काम करने वाला हामिद है, सब्जेक्ट दोनों में हामिद है, ठीक है। And here the difference is that in the first sentence, right, in this sentence the verb is taking place on Hamid itself. Hamid is the subject also, and the verb is also taking place on Hamid. Hamid is entering himself, ठीक है, हामिद दाखिल हुआ, दाखला हामिदुन। तो इंग्लिश में हम इसको क्या कहते, इंग्लिश में हम इसको कहते हैं इंट्रांजिटिव, ठीक है, इंट्रांजिटिव, एंड उर्दू में हम इसको कहते हैं फेले लाजिम, उर्दू या अरबिक में, ठीक है, फेले लाजिम।
yes, means no objective is required there.
No object is required, yes, no object is required, ठीक है, this is a separate, yeah, so this is a separate case, ठीक। Here when we put it into second bab if'al, af'ala, adkhala, now it has become totally opposite. Now it needs an object. adkhala hamidun, hamid ne dakhil kiya, hamid made a student, hamid made the student. I had written adkhala hamidu, hamidu taliba. Now here it will, hamidu it will come because Hamidun at-taliba. Okay, let it be like that. Adkhala Hamidun at-taliba. Hamid made the student, ठीक है, made the student enter. Entered. नहीं बल्कि enter ही आएगा, made वहां पे जो लगा दिया हमने. Hamid made the student enter. ठीक है, Hamid ने, now here talib is an object. Here Hamid itself was object himself, ठीक है. But here we need an object, enter. I hope it's clear now for everyone. If anyone has a question, can please ask, because it should be very clear for everyone.
Miss, I don't have a question, but I'm sure सबको समझ आ गया होगा, but फिर भी मैं एक बहुत छोटी सी एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ जो बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगी. For example, if we say like my mother went, ठीक है? अब अगर हम इसमें went to school, went to market, went to parlor नहीं भी लगाएं, it's still making sense, ठीक है? This is intransitive. लेकिन अगर मैं कहूँ my mother took, अब ये मुझे बताना पड़ेगा took what? Took me to the school with her, took my sister. This is transitive. ठीक है, अगर हम ये दो चीजें याद कर लें, काम दोनों मदर ही कर रही है. My mother went, but her action is completed. She doesn't need. If object is there, well and good. If it is not there, still it's okay. But if I say my mother took what? Took me, took my sister with her. So this is transitive. So ये छोटी सी example है, but I think it's going to be very helpful.
Sure.
For all of us, inshallah.
Okay. And as you said, Vinita, that for transitive, I'm sorry, for intransitive, yani my mother went, you said, okay? So if somebody says, okay, went, where went, right? So we need a preposition to add something. Went to school, to market, right?
Absolutely.
A preposition is required. Definitely a preposition is required. And in Arabic also, Javeria, abhi us class mein main yahi bata rahi thi na, sila chahiye hota hai uske baad.
Yes.
Dakhala Hamidun fil bayti, right? Maybe. So fi will be there. Dakhala Hamidun fil bayti. Hamid घर में दाखिल हुआ है. Hamid entered a home. So then fil bayti मैं लिख रही हूँ. So I will not say this is an object, क्योंकि ये तो हरफ जर के साथ वैसे ही वो हरफ जर में चला गया. ये तो मुरक्कबे जारी हो गया, right? फिल बैती. दखला हामिदुन फिल बैती. हामिद घर में दाखिल हुआ. ठीक है? तो I need to use a preposition definitely. Otherwise I can't use any other thing with it. ठीक है, Javeria? So, and then if we use a preposition, if we use a sila, then we can't say this is an object. We say this is मुताल्लिक़ फ़ेल.
Right.
ठीक है, बट यहाँ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आता है. अदखला हामिदुन, हामिदुन दाखिल किया किसको? अत्तालिबा, तालिब इल्म को.
In this case, miss, it's going to be nasab, right?
Where here? Yeah, this is nasab.
नहीं,
this is halat nasab.
This is halat nasab, है ना? Because it's a detail of.
Where here? In fil bayti.
अभी जो नहीं not bayti में तो it becomes मजरूर बन गया ना because of हरूफ जर.
तो अदखला हामिदुन अत्तालिबा ये हालत नसब है ना?
हाँ, वही तो कह रहे हैं, तालिबा is हालत नसब. Here it is हालत नसब, but in bayti it is हालत jar.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Because at-talib is direct object.
Direct object, absolutely. Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah. जी.
What about other girls? Aisha, both Aishas, Javeria.
Yes, it's clear. Like if it comes adkhala Hamidun al-bayti. Oh, sorry, al-bayta. Right?
नहीं, क्या? dakhala Hamidun?
No, not dakhala.
Adkhala.
Adkhala Hamidun al-bayta.
हामिद ने घर को दाखिल किया.
हाँ, okay, right.
घर को कैसे दाखिल करेगा? कहाँ दाखिल करेगा घर को?
घर में दाखिल किया ना, में.
घर को फिल बैती. दखला हामिदुन फिल बैती. Okay.
अदखला का मतलब है दाखिल किया. तो कहाँ दाखिल किया? घर को कहाँ दाखिल करेगा? तालिब इल्म को तो कमरे में दाखिल कर सकता है, क्लास में दाखिल कर सकता है, स्टूडेंट है ना. घर को कहाँ दाखिल करेगा?
राइट.
वो नहीं सही बनेगा, गलत होगा वो.
ठीक है.
अच्छा. तो whatever we understood here about transitive and intransitive, ठीक है, this is totally opposite in this bab, in bab number 7. I mean to say here the normal sulasi mujarrad was intransitive, right? Intransitive, and when we put it into bab af'ala, it makes it transitive. ठीक है? But here some verbs might already be transitive. So then by putting it into bab 7, it makes it into intransitive. ठीक है? Yani this is totally opposite. Let me. So bab 2, bab number form 2, right? Form 2 was making फेले lazim to mutaddi, but this one is making फेले lazim to mutaddi. फेले lazim to mutaddi and फेले mutaddi to lazim. Jama'a, he collected, right? This is फेले mutaddi.
Mutaddi.
ठीक है? This is फेले mutaddi, and it's making it into फेले lazim. This bab if ta'ala, right? It's making it into lazim. But before this babs 2, okay? Here first a verb is mutaaddi, okay? A verb is mutaaddi, and when we put it into bab 7, bab if ta'ala, it makes it lazim, right? But in bab 2, okay? First was lazim, any lazim verb, okay? And when we put it into bab af'ala, it makes it into mutaaddi.
Okay, fine.
ठीक है? यानी lazim verbs, lazim, what we say lazim, intransitive, ठीक है? Intransitive verbs change into transitive verb, right? In bab 2, bab af'ala. But here, because some verbs are यानी by default mutaaddi, some verbs are by default lazim, ठीक है? Some verbs are mutaaddi, some verbs are lazim by nature, by its nature, okay? So bab 2 is applied on fe'l lazim, and that turns into fe'l mutaaddi, and bab 7 is applied on fe'l mutaaddi, and it turns it into lazim.
Fe'l lazim.
I hope it's clear. So this is totally opposite, yani. ठीक है? So jama, he collected, and ijtama, it collected. It collected. ठीक है? No need of any other. So dakhala, he entered. Adkhala, he made somebody enter. ठीक है? So just remember in any ways. Anyhow, we'll move next, inshallah. Yeah. So it's a reflexive of fa'ala, but has a reciprocal significance, like bab tafa'ala. And there are other abwab also who make this change, lazim to mutaddi. There are other also, right? Bab tafa'ala also was making this change from mutaddi to lazim, right? And they are saying that now here the important thing was if ta'ala, there is a kasra with hamza, right? So if we have to put a question, hamzatul istifham, do you remember? Were you there with me in the last class also, Javeria?
Oh yes, I was there. I have attended.
So what is hamzatul istifham?
Like Hamza we use, na? We use this for the questions.
For questions, alif, yes.
Means alif with fatha.
For example, let me write it. For example, as we were using the word dakhala, right? What does it mean? Dakhala.
He entered.
He entered. And if I say dakhala, now what does it mean? Dakhala. Huh? It means now, did he enter?
क्या वो दाखिल हुआ है ना?
It's a question now. Dakhala. Did he enter? I'm asking now, right? So this is called hamzatul istifham. ठीक है? This is a hamza, ठीक है? But it is put in the beginning of a verb to ask.
Yes. मैंने
आपको बताया था, इस्तिफहाम फहम से है ना, फहम का मतलब होता है अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So why we ask something? To understand something. है ना? समझना ही चाहते हैं ना कुछ, इसीलिए पूछते हैं कुछ. तो hamzatul istifham is something when you ask. So that hamza. So dakhala, has he entered or did he enter? Both ways it's correct. ठीक है? So,
Right.
acha, now the point is that there is already in Bab if ta'ala, okay? If I add, for example, yani istama'a, to listen, he yani it was what was the istama'a? What does it mean? To listen, or if
Listen.
just a minute. Let's take the example of jama'a. Jama'a, he collected. ठीक है? Ijtama'a, it collected. So if I want to ask you, did it collect? क्या वो इकट्ठा हो गया? इसका मतलब है he collected, उसने इकट्ठा किया. Ijtama'a, it collected, वो इकट्ठा हो गया. कुछ भी था, वो इकट्ठा हो गया. अगर मैंने पूछना हो कि क्या वो इकट्ठा हो गया? If I want to ask, ठीक है? तो फिर मैं क्या मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा?
इज्तमाअ.
इज्तमाअ, right? इज्तमाअ या इस्तमाअ. Did he listen? ठीक है? अब आई ऐसे करते फिरेंगे हम. इश्तगला, right? इक्तसबा. तो वो आई, we want to finish this आई. ठीक है? So what we will do? We will drop this hamza then. That was for the bab. Because this hamza we cannot drop. This is for a question. We cannot drop. We want to ask. ठीक है? So we cannot drop. But ai, have you ever heard or read in anywhere ai?
No, there is no replication,
There is
right?
no repetition of hamza, right? So what we do? We drop the hamza of this bab. In that case, if hamzatul wasl comes, then we drop the hamza of the bab.
Hamzatul istifham.
No, hamzatul istifham will be there, but hamza for the bab will be removed because
Okay, fine, got it.
there was a hamza na in this bab.
Hamzatul wasl, which comes for attaching, right?
No, this is not
And
hamzatul
only
wasl. You can say this is the hamza of the extra letter for this bab, ta and e. To make this bab.
Because this Hamzatul Wasl we use like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. That is Alif Lam. That is called, na?
But that is used. Hamzatul Wasl we say when it comes with nouns. We are talking about verbs.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Yes, we use the word Hamzatul Wasl. Wasl matlab to connect. Okay? But that is for the nouns. This is verb and this is the derived form. This is Sulasi Mazid. This Mazid we have added in Fa, Ain, Lam, Kalima. We added this Alif and we added this Ta. Okay? So these were two additional letters here. These were two additional letters. So if we want to ask question, then we remove this additional letter, this Alif.
Okay,
we will remove this. Got it?
This and is in other bab, we also for questioning what letter should we use, because urfe istifham are like which we have done hal and ma, man, like that, na?
ठीक है.
So if this hamza will not be there, like babe.
You can say hal also is used. Hal and a is used parallel. But man, इसको कहते हैं यानी the question
means only in this bab we use only huruf istifham, right?
मिस मन तो कौन के मायने में आता है ना, और हल जो है वो क्या के मायने में आता है?
हाँ, but they all are called istifham. So I mean, my question is this, that only in this bab number 7 we use hamzatul istifham for questioning, right?
No.
No, okay.
It can be used with anything. You can ask question about any verb. Okay, but the problem is because this bab has already one alif. There if you want to use it, no problem. But the problem here is that this already has one alif, and you are adding one more alif to ask question. Then there are two alif. Then they make problem.
We have to remove. We have to remove one alif, right? Okay.
And which alif we will remove? This extra alif which we put in the bab. Because hamza, that alif we cannot remove because that is to ask question. देखो अभी जैसे एग्जांपल दी हुई है
but we have not done in that our Urdu book na.
It's okay.
This is a new thing, that's right.
Miss, then the second bab also alif is there, no? Of Allah.
So there also it will be removed, but they have given example here only. Okay.
Okay, miss.
We will see about that also, Aisha. Okay, if the examples will come, inshallah. Okay. So it is there. Intazartani. Intazarta, you waited. Ni, for me. Okay, you wait for me. Intazartani, you wait for me or you waited for me. But if I say, did you wait for me? अगर मैंने सवाल पूछना है इंतज़रतनी ऐसे आएगा, ठीक है? तो फिर इंतज़रतनी के बजाय I will only say अंतज़रतनी. यानी वो ई निकल गया ना बीच में से ये वाला, ठीक है? ई निकल गया तो वो आ रह गया. अंतज़रतनी. What does it mean? Did you wait for me? ठीक है? अच्छा, और इसके और रूल्स भी थे. अब उसमें हम चले गए तो फिर बस. और वैसे भी ऑलरेडी हमारा टाइम काफी ज्यादा हो गया. ये पिछला की रिवीजन ही थी सिर्फ. ये पिछले दफा हमने पढ़ा था. चलो कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके.
But it's good not to revise the things. Otherwise, if we will go move on, and things will be clear. So it's difficult to understand the next whatever the topics are there.
So do you want to revise this also? There were 3 rules again. Shall we? Okay, because we did it last time, so let's revise them. So the rule number 1 is, if the first radical, yani now the 3 letters could be any, right? If the first radical, yani first root letter, if it is dal, zal or za, then extra ta changes. Yani extra ta means, let me write here, because we are talking about bab ifta'ala, right? We are talking about bab ifta'ala. So what is addition? Addition is this alif, this is extra, and this is extra. Okay, these 2 letters are extra. Yes, please. Yes, Vinita, please. You can listen to the recording. This was done before also, and we will revise this also. So inshallah, you will get it.
Inshallah. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa
barakatuh. This we have done.
Yeah, this is there in Urdu book. Acha. So these 2 letters are added extra, okay? Because we have to add something extra to make any new bab. So this alif and ta is extra, ठीक? Okay. So first we removed this hamza, this alif. This alif was removed when we want to put hamzatul istifham, question 1, right? So we removed this. Now they are saying. Now they are talking about that if here the root letters are fa, ain, lam. But if the first root letter here, first root letter, as we have first root letter fa. So if the first root letter is either dal or zal or za, then this we will drop this ta. Yes. And we will add one dal. Okay? That is the rule. So if the root letter, because whatever is the basic verb, if that root letter has dal in the beginning, then we remove that ta and we change it with a dal itself. Okay? So da, for example, this is the 3 letters, dal, ain and alif, right? So if we want to put it in bab ifta'ala, okay? So if I put alif and then dal is already there, I will make it sukoon. And then if ta, I have to put a ta here. So वो पढ़ने में कितना मुश्किल हो रहा है ना, it's difficult to read it because the मखारिज are same. जहाँ से वो निकालने हैं ना हमने वो लफ्ज, वो same है मखारिज. इस वजह से to make it easy, ठीक है, ये देखिए कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है फिर. यानी अगर मैं उसको पुट करूं इद, तो वो उसका रूट वर्ड का दाल है, ठीक है. आगे मैं ता ऐड करूं, जो ये वाली ता ऐड करनी है, और फिर आगे मैं आइन ऐड करूं, और फिर आगे अलिफ. तो इद ता, रुकना टूटना पड़ता है वहां पे, ठीक है. तो इंस्टेड वी विल change this into another dal. तो id, other dal तो ऐसे है ना फिर. तो when there is a sukoon and when there is a fatha, so these two will change into shad. Shad means there are two letters, ठीक है. So it will become idda.
Right.
ठीक है. इसी तरह dhakara, ठीक. तो if we have to put it in this bab, so we have to put one alif, and then after this we have to put a ta here. ठीक है ना? According to the rule, we have to make it sukoon. Is takara. It will be like that. So instead of this, we will say that we change it into dal instead of ta. Okay, and then this dal is dakara की बजाय id dakara ही कर दिया उन्होंने. ये भी कोई रूल है उनका, ठीक है. So this was the rule, that if the first letter is dal, zal or z, the extra ta changes into dal itself. If the first letter is sod, wa, ta, wa, then the extra ta changes into ta itself. ठीक है. वहां पे दाल को लिया था कि दाल में चेंज हो जाता है. Here they are changing ta into to. ठीक है. इस फैमिली में से तो को पिक कर लिया उन्होंने कि तो लगा देंगे. कोई भी आएगा ना इसमें से, सौद और दौद और तो और ज़ा, तो वो तो में ही चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है. इस तो अच्छा, the next rule is if the first radical is वाव. अब यानी जैसे वासाला है एग्जांपल, ठीक है. अब इसका फर्स्ट लेटर है वाव, फिर क्या होता है, it gets assimilated to extra था. तो फिर एक एक्स्ट्रा था, यानी now just a minute. हाँ, it even we can't pronounce it. It's not only difficult, but we can't pronounce it. क्योंकि यानी देखें ना हम, if we put, as I was trying to put before the letters, just a minute. यानी this is wasala, ठीक है. Now I want to put it into bab ifta'ala, ठीक. I will put one alif here, e. I have to give it sukoon on the pattern of if, and I have to put a ta here. नहीं तो आप पढ़ ही नहीं सकते ना. ई और वाव कैसे पढ़ेंगे?
Right.
और आगे तो सुकून वाला वाव है. We can't pronounce it even. ठीक है. So then what do?
We put ta there. Ta.
One extra ta. हाँ, we will remove this one and we put one ta. ठीक है. So this also ta, already one ta was there for the additional letter, and we put one more ta. So ittasala. Now it's easy to pronounce. Ittasala, ittisal, ittasalat. वो कंपनी में होते हैं ना कॉन्टैक्ट जो उसका वो.
Right.
ठीक है. So this was rule number 3.
बेहतरीन.
हाँ, I think there are 3 only, and the rest are some more examples in the Quran. Because the root ikhtala, ifta'ala pattern पे जो कुरान में words आए हुए हैं.
इख्तलाफू.
हाँ, because the root word is kha, lam, fa. This is the root word. ठीक है. This is the root word. So if we put it into ifta'ala pattern, we have to put one alif with hamza, है ना, with kasra, and here we have to put one ta. We have to give sukoon here.
Right.
इख्तलाफा, उसने इख्तिलाफ किया, या इख्तलिफू, फिर वो पूरी गर्दान, तो you can make the whole table. ठीक है. इख्तलाफू, तो इख्तलाफू is इफ्ताला pattern. ठीक है. कभी सोचा था जवेरिया
नहीं.
ये इख्तिलाफ कैसे बना हुआ है?
अल्लाह अकबर। लाइक वो है ना इत्तखज़ा, कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कितना आता है ना, इत्तखज़ू कितना आता है।
वो भी इसी, हाँ ठीक है। What about other girls? Are you there with us?
Yes, miss, yes.
Yes, miss. We are.
But
Okay.
we have not discussed regarding the Mudare and Amr, right, miss, for this chapter, for this bab?
So let's go there. Till here we had discussed last time, I remember, right?
Till the rules we completed.
Till there we had done. Where are the Madi and Mudare? Have they come?
Before,
Did I miss?
Before, yeah. Ha.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Mudare from this bab, ठीक है? The mudare from this bab is on the pattern of yafta'ilu. So ifta'ala yafta'ilu. We have to remember this pattern. Ifta'ala yafta'ilu. ठीक है? Istama'a yastami'u. Easy, it's not a difficult one. Ifta'ala yafta'ilu. That's the mudare pattern. ठीक है? Amr from bab ifta'ala is formed by prefixing hamza with kasra, because after omitting the harful mudare, the first radical of the verb cannot be read, because we always make fe'le amr from fe'le mudare. Is that so? Right? So yani intadara yantadiru. So what is the rule of making fe'le amr? We have to remove alamat mudare. ठीक है? So we removed it. Can we read it now? We can't read, right? So then we have to put alif फेले अमर बनाने के लिए ना, जैसे हम नॉर्मल बनाते हैं. And then we see if there is yani fatha or kasra. In both cases we put kasra, and if there is dhamma we put dhamma. The same rule we will apply. ठीक है? तो intadara वो अच्छा, इंतदिर. अब देखिए इसमें बहुत डेलिकेट सा डिफरेंस रह गया है. यानी इंतदरा जो पहला इसका था, एक मिनट, इंतदरा यंतदिरु ऐसे ही था ना. इसका जो यंतदिरु का फेले वो होगा फेले मादी. इंतदरा ऐसे ही होगा ना.
जी बिल्कुल.
तो क्या डिफरेंस रह जाएगा फिर? इंतदरा he waited for me. इंतदरा he waited. अब इंतदरा यंतदिरु yantadiru. So here also we have to remove this and we have to put alif. So the difference will be only that it will be intadara, he waited, and intadir, wait. Only the difference. Did you notice? Who will tell me the difference between both of them? Sukoon will come. Yes. If in the end this is sukoon, you will understand this is fi'le amr. But if there is a fatha in the end, you will understand this is fi'le maadi. Otherwise, beginning is looking exactly same. ठीक है? So intadhir, what does it mean when it is sukoon? Oh, it's fi'le amr. When I'm saying Javeria intadhir, so I'm saying Javeria wait. ठीक है? But I have to say intadhiri, क्योंकि मोनस के लिए वो या भी आता है ना. But if I am saying intadhara, what does it mean? He waited.
He waited.
So that was fi'le amr from fi'le mudare. Mudare from this bab is on the pattern of achani masdar. I'm sorry, masdar is on pattern of ifti'alun. ठीक है? Ifti'alun. So ifta'ala yafta'ilu ifti'alun. We need to add into our table. Ifta'ala yafta'ilu ifti'alun. इंतज़रा यंतज़िरु इंतज़ारुन. जी जवेरिया, इंतज़ार. इंतज़ार करो. ठीक है? तो ये बाबे इफ्तिआल से है. इंतज़ार, इम्तिहान. लुक, इम्तिहान. तो इसका मतलब है कि मीम हा नून इसका रूट वर्ड है. इम्तिहान का मीम हा नून रूट वर्ड है और ये इम्ता और अलिफ ये एक्स्ट्रा लगे। इम्तिहान उन भी इफ्तिआल उनके पैटर्न पे है, बाब इफ्ताला से। ठीक है,
अल्लाह अकबर।
कोई हद है नॉलेज की? समुंदर है पूरा भाई, पूरी
वो है,
जिंदगी इंसान
वो
सीखता
है,
रहे। द लाइफ विल बी शॉर्टर, द knowledge will be.
exactly,
Allahu
it
Akbar.
has no
And
end.
that's why you know this knowledge is given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the name of the things, otherwise we didn't make them. This is the
We
knowledge and
can't.
we are just
We can't.
Subhanallah. Okay, so Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul is already easy, and we know we make that also from imtahana yamtahinu. ठीक है, and if we have to make Ismul Fa'il, how do we make? What was the key for with us to make? Who will tell me? Khadija, would you tell me if you remember?
Yes, from Mudare we will make. We have
so
to
this is
remove the
Mudare.
Alamati Mudare.
And we change it into meme with Dhamma. ठीक है?
Yes.
Meme with this is very easy, and this is for all the bab. For all abwab, this is single rule to make Ismul Fa'il. And what was that rule? Take Fe'l Mudare and replace Alamat Mudare with a meme. Remove Alamat Mudare and put a meme with Dhamma. Mumtahinu, imtihan lene wala. ठीक है, examiner. Very easy to make Ismul Fa'il. And Khadija, please tell me what is to make Ismul Maf'ul.
The fatha becomes the kasra. The ain kalima.
Kasra becomes fatha.
Yes, kasra becomes fatha.
Mumtahanu, the one who is being examined. Ismul Maf'ul. ठीक है? तो मुमतहिनुन कौन है? मुमतहिनु एग्जामिनर, इस्मुल फाइल, एंड मुमतहनुन ठीक है एग्जामिनी, हाँ एग्जामिनी जिसका एग्जाम लिया जा रहा है, इस्मुल मफऊल. It applies on all the abwab. It's similar for all abwab. We will take fe'l mudare and we put one dhamma with meme, that will make ismul fa'il, and then change kasra into fatha, that will make it into ismul maf'ul. ठीक है?
Like muntazirun and muntazarun. Ismul fa'il
muntazirun, muntazirun, the one who is waiting.
Waiting.
And muntazar, the one who is being waited. यानी जिसका इंतजार हो रहा है. कितनी हम गड़बड़ करते हैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन में.
सही बात है.
मैं आपकी मुंतजर हूँ.
हाँ, मुखातिब एंड मुखातब.
अल्लाहु अकबर. चले ठीक है. So yeah, then there are some examples, and that's all. चले ठीक है. It's 10 o'clock now. Any question, girls? Chale, alhamdulillah. So it's clear. So inshallah, next time we will start Bab 8, which we couldn't start today. But it's good that we had a revision, inshallah.
Yes.
Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay, inshallah. See you next Friday, inshallah. May Allah help us to understand. And as I told you, keep practicing. Whenever you are reading Quran, use that English translation one and try to figure out the words, inshallah. Okay, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين يا رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.